We get this question a lot because it's really common for real estate investors to have multiple entities, kind of from like a risk perspective, or if you're have multiple partners, it's easier to have, a different LLC for a different project. So that's a big concern I think a lot of people have is, I have so many entities, I don't want to pay for 7 QuickBooks subscriptions, rightfully so. So no, as long as your businesses have a similar use, which in real estate investing they will, you can use the same chart of accounts, which means you can use the same QuickBooks. And the way this works is we use the business field within QuickBooks for your different entities, and we'll use the class field for your different properties. And then we're able to run reports by both business and property. And that way you can everything that your tax CPA will need, we can run individually. So we can run balance sheets, P&L for each entity separately, no problem, just out of one subscription, which is great because it saves you a lot of money.